Hi, it's Ben here, driving school on Thomas Boyland. On Thomas Boyland Street, Brooklyn, New York. Right? All right, shoulder right. Just been here with Pierre driving school, covering a lesson on Thomas Boyland, Brooklyn, New York. These are one of the areas that we service here with Pierre driving school. We're going to show you a few left and right and things that they're up for us to do an observation as you're doing driving lesson in Brooklyn, and when you're training for your road test, you can know what to be on the lookout for, right? So as you guys notice that I'm going down the road here, there is a share bike lane. What's that mean? The bike lane that is on my side can be shared with me and the people that are and the people that are riding. So with that said, you can drive in those bike lane. That's not an issue. Contrary, if that shared bike lane, if the bike lane was not shared, then you would have to drive outside of the bike lane. It would have been a problem for your road test. All right. So traffic is moving ahead. It's a little bit raining today, but we're still covering the speed limit that we're supposed to be in, all right? This is driving school on Thomas Boyland, Brooklyn, New York, all right? Just been here with Pierre driving school. If you guys like any video for us to do in particular, put in the comment below. That's where we got most of our topic coming from. I've already see the light is blinking. I'm not gonna do anything extra to go over the light, right? As we know, for the purpose of the road test, speed limit have to be above 25, below 30. When they can change idea. When it's raining, is above 20, above 25, above 20, above 25, below 20. All right. So you cannot be doing less than 20 unless the weather, unless it's really not ideal for you to be doing this speed. All right. So many students have seen that. They think that when they're driving slow, that's a good way for them to do their road test. It's not a good thing because the examiner will fail you the test in a heartbeat. All right. So as I'm driving here, you always keep both hands on the steering wheel. You pay good attention of what's going on of your surrounding. All right. My light ahead is completely clear. I don't have to do anything extra. Then I'm keeping it within my speed. All right. So whenever you're going to those, to the car in front of you making a left turn, they do the right thing by not pulling over because the traffic that comes across, straight across, has priority, all right? This is a driving lesson here in Thomas Boyland, Brooklyn, New York. One of the areas here we cover at Pierre driving school. Any comment, any concern, put in the comment below. Anything us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. If you need any help for whatsoever, check out pierrepauldraiving.com, where we can definitely help you get your training that you need to be able to take your road test with confidence. All right, here at Pierre Driving School, we're making sure that all of our students are passed the road test with the training that we're giving them, because we understand that it is more than driving. There's things that they're looking for, and we show you what to deliver when you're doing your road test. All right, if you've already got your license, you want brush up lesson, I see a car open up to my right side, I'm paying good attention, covering my brake. All right, any stupidity, I'm already on the brake. All right, folks. Yes, speed bump coming ahead, falling within into speed. Okay, all right, light turn yellow, moving accordingly. It ain't no rush. All right, I've seen oftentimes people are doing their road test, they're washing. Why? I do not know. You don't have to wash. You just have to do what you have to do. All right, best way of looking at it. You don't have to wash. You just have to do what you have to do. All right, so as I'm saying here, always look in the direction that you're doing. Do not ever look on the opposite direction unless you're doing something contrary with your while you're driving. And for the purpose of the road test, whatever with the contrary from going straight, you must always signal all of your attention. You see traffic clear now, you must always signal all of your attention. Otherwise, it's gonna be problem while you're setting up for your road test. I'm at the traffic light coming up. We're gonna make a left-hand turn. Traffic is in our favor. I see a tractor trailer coming ahead. I'm paying attention to see what's going on. I want to make that left turn onto the service lane. I'm going to go all the way over. Okay. Going into the bump. Mirror left. Shoulder left because the head was clear and falling right into my lane. Why do I come to that service lane? Because I'm going to continue on the other side to make a right turn 2 lights down. You cannot make your right turn off of the main road. All right. That's the reason why we're coming over to make that right turn on the light that we wanted to make the turn. All right. The car is coming on my right side. I let it clear. It ain't no rush. All right. Covering the brake here. We're making a right turn at the light. Signal the turn. Covering the brake. It's no rush. Mirror right. Shoulder right. And make the turn for where? To the closest right lane. All right. Folks, these are the level of delivery when you're doing your wood test you have to do for the examiner to feel confident, to give you some credit, and hopefully to be able to pass your wood test. Remember, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute that you understand that, it changes everything. Pierre Driving School here. We'll be more than happy to help you. Anything you want us to cover in particular, put it in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming in, all right? Both ends on this steering wheel. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. We signal the turn, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring the car more towards the side that we're turning. See, folks, bring the car more towards the side that we're turning. We're not going in, but we're blocking off the side, okay? So no cars can fit within that gap. And as always, when ready to make the turn, what we're gonna do, mirror right, shoulder right, and go through with that turn, all right? These are the things that we have to be on the lookout for when you're doing, specifically when you're doing your lesson, when you're doing your driving lesson, when you're training to go past your wood test here in New York City. And this is applicable, shoulder right, to wherever you're doing the test, because driving above all, remain driving, it doesn't change. All right, folks? Anything, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do that and ring the notification bell. So each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified, all right? We're gonna keep going straight. Here we have the right of way, okay? Paying good attention here with our surrounding. We're making a left turn at the intersection here, left turn. Oncoming traffic as the priority. I don't know why this guy behind me is picking up speed. Like I'm supposed to do something differently. Let him clear. Mirror left, shoulder left. All right. Traffic on my right side is moving, paying good attention. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. This lesson is on Thomas Boyland, Brooklyn, New York. Driving school, driving lesson in Thomas Boyland. We cover those areas as well. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Bye-bye.